Something which has been frustrating me a lot since coming back from Hong Kong to the UK when driving a car is the number of potholes that there are on the roads. And it's a particular problem around where I live. And I just thought I wanted to address this issue because somebody left a comment on one of my videos just in the last few days about the number of potholes on UK roads in comparison to other parts of the world. And I just automatically assumed that there were potholes in every other country in the world on their roads. And it really is incredibly noticeable near where I live. And it's got to the point whereby it's very difficult to avoid them. And in fact, it's quite dangerous to avoid them because you come up to a particular area on the road and you know there are potholes there. So when you're driving, you try to sort of swerve around them, but that in itself is dangerous because you're actually needing to effectively overtake a pothole or move into another lane of traffic, and you have to make sure that there's not another vehicle coming in the opposite direction. And the main problem is that if you drive over a pothole fast, then you will effectively cause the car to shake quite violently, and that may, in fact, result in damage to your engine or under the bonnet. I'm not a mechanic myself, but there has been an occasion when I went over a pothole very quickly, and about a week later, I mean, I can't put this problem down to going over the pothole. Around a week later, there was some sort of damage to the inside of my engine, which caused a leak on one of the pumps inside. That caused me to break down on the motorway in the middle of the night. And whilst I can't say categorically it was a result of going over pothole, certainly going over pothole didn't help. And this has been a constant concern. I have to say, where I live, maybe the problem has been alleviated recently with people complaining, and there's been a lot more work done on potholes. But if you are coming to the UK, please just be aware that when you're driving on the roads, it might not all be plain sailing. The roads are not always, particularly when you get off the major roads and you get into the more local roads in the residential area, the roads are not as smooth as what you may well have been used to in your home country. And my recommendation would be, until you get to know an area, maybe drive just a little bit more slowly. And when you come up to a pothole, slow down even more, because you don't want to drive over that pothole fast. That will damage what's under the bonnet of your car, damage the suspension of your car. Not that I am a mechanic, as I mentioned before, but it's something that you just need to be aware of and factor into your driving when you are driving on British roads for the first time. So good luck. And if you are interested in listening into some more of these types of clips about life in the UK, what it's like really to live here, please consider subscribing to my future videos. And if you've got some comments, I would love to hear your comments on, particularly on this issue. Please leave them below and I'll get back to you straight away. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to speaking to you again in the next one.